Okay, so in the cafe, so cafes have all sorts of kinds of foods, food and drink, but also they have normally sweet food. Sweet food. Sweet. A lot of sugars perhaps, or generally fattening food. Like cakes. Cakes and biscuits. Sweet. Sweet food. Makes sense. But then we have typical things like coffee. Very universal. Coffee. Tea. Tea. But then we have things like latte. Latte, which is essentially coffee with milk. With milk. With milk. An espresso. What is that? Espresso. Essentially raw coffee. Really strong. Keeps you awake. Stronger than coffee. And bitter. Bitter. So we have sweet. Sweet. You want more of it. It tastes very nice. But bitter. It tastes very dry. Very strong. Needs some water. Or some tea to balance it out. Because it's very bitter and strong. An espresso. Bitter, but helps you stay awake. Stay awake all night. Plenty of energy from espresso. And then we have biscuit and cake. Sweet stuff. Desserts. Light food. Cake. Very nice. So maybe a slice of cake. A slice. So here's the cake. Here's the slice. Slice. A slice of cake. How cool is that? We could say then, with milk. Coffee with milk. Tea with milk. Or with lemon. Lemon, the citric fruit, the yellow one. You squeeze it and it makes it more savoury, more citric. Or with sugar. Sugar. Because you could have an espresso that's very bitter, very strong, but you can have it with sugar to make it sweeter, make it just as strong in terms of staying awake, but the taste is more bearable, more palatable. Oh, I can drink this much better because it's sweeter. So we have with, which is just basically plus. With. Or we could say without. Oh, without. 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 Oh, without sugar. Oh, no thank you. Without milk. Oh, no thank you. Without lemon. Oh, no thank you. Without. With. With. And without. Without. No, no thank you. How cool is that? So coffee, tea, latte, espresso, biscuit, cake. They are sweet. With milk, with lemon, with sugar. And espresso is bitter. Bitter. And then you could say without. Without milk. Without lemon. Without sugar. How cool is that? And again, a slice of cake. One slice. 2 slices. 3 slices. So there's one, 2, 3. 3 slices. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.